just here with Lindsay, and he's going to tell us a bit about his Mazda MX-5.
Yep.
It's a, what year is this? About a 98?
99.
99. Give us a brief rundown of what you've done to it.
Okay, so built motor, AVO turbo kit, GT2871R, with the motor, forged pistons, rods, cams, oversized valves, springs, ported head, balanced within an inch of its life, intake, everything you can pretty much do.
So you were saying earlier the turbo is pretty much maxed, about 26 pounds?
Yep, it's as much as we can get out of it, doesn't want to make any more.
Yeah, it comes up pretty good though, responsive.
Yeah, and that's why I stay with the small turbo.
I guess the real reason you're getting down the track is because, unlike many, you've put an auto in it.
Yeah, it's the only auto turbo one that I know of in Victoria or Australia.
Yeah, so it's still the actual MX-5 gearbox?
NA MX-5 gearbox with VL turbo guts. GZM Automotive did it for me. He's an absolute Goran, he's an absolute champion.
And you've strengthened the rear end?
Braced the rear diff, braced the rear power plant frame, and other than that, standard axles and torsion 2 diff center.
It's pretty hot here. The night started about 40 degrees. It's cooled down to about 32, I think now.
Yep.
So you think there's much more in it?
Hopefully. Well, I'm going to leave it for a couple of hours and see if we can get more out of it.
Yeah, awesome. Hey, well done.
Thank you.